As an Etsy seller, maximizing your store's visibility is crucial to driving traffic and boosting sales. One powerful tool at your disposal is Google Ads. However, creating and managing profitable Google Ads campaigns requires strategic planning and a clear understanding of how the platform works. This article will walk you through the secrets to running profitable Google Ads for Etsy sellers, covering everything from setting up your account to optimizing your ads for maximum returns. 1. Understanding Google Ads. Overview of Google Ads. Google Ads is a pay-per-click (PPC) advertising platform that allows businesses to display ads on Google's search engine results pages, SERPs, YouTube, and across its vast network of partner sites. Advertisers bid on keywords relevant to their products or services, and when users search for those keywords, the ads may appear. Benefits for Etsy sellers. Google Ads offers several benefits for Etsy sellers. Increased visibility. Reach potential customers actively searching for products like yours. Targeted advertising. Customize who sees your ads based on demographics, location, interests, and more. Scalable budget. Control your spending with adjustable daily budgets and bidding strategies. Measurable results. Track the performance of your ads and make data-driven decisions to improve your campaigns. 2. Setting up your Google Ads account. Creating your account. Sign up. Visit the Google Ads website and sign up with your Google account. Enter business details. Provide information about your business, including your website, your Etsy store link. Set advertising goals. Choose your primary advertising goal, e.g., driving sales, generating leads, or increasing website traffic. Linking Etsy and Google Ads. Google Merchant Center. Create a Google Merchant Center account and link it to your Etsy store. This allows you to upload your product feed to Google. Product feed. Generate and submit your product feed, ensuring it's regularly updated with your latest listings. Link accounts. Connect your Google Merchant Center account to your Google Ads account for seamless integration and management of your product ads. 3. Keyword research and selection. Importance of keyword research. Keywords are the foundation of your Google Ads campaigns. Choosing the right keywords ensures your ads appear for relevant searches, attracting potential customers who are more likely to purchase your products. Tools for keyword research. Google Keyword Planner provides insights into search volumes, competition, and keyword suggestions. Etsy Search Analytics. Identify popular search terms used by Etsy shoppers. Third-party tools. Consider tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, or Moz for more in-depth keyword analysis. Selecting the right keywords. Relevance. Choose keywords directly related to your products. Search volume. Target keywords with sufficient search volume to drive traffic. Competition. Balance between high competition and low competition keywords to optimize cost effectiveness. Long-tail keywords. Focus on long-tail keywords, e.g., handmade silver jewelry for women, for more specific and less competitive searches. 4. Crafting compelling ads. Ad formats. Search ads. Text-based ads that appear on Google's search results pages. Shopping ads. Image-rich ads that showcase your products, prices, and store names. Display ads. Visual ads that appear on Google's network of partner sites. Writing effective ad copy. Headlines. Craft attention-grabbing headlines that include your primary keyword. Description. Highlight key features, benefits, and unique selling points of your products. Call to action, CTA. Use strong CTAs, e.g., shop now, buy today, to encourage clicks. Ad extensions. Utilize ad extensions, e.g., site links, callouts, structured snippets, to provide additional information and enhance your ads. Ad relevance and quality score. Ad relevance. Ensure your ad copy is closely related to the keywords you're targeting. Landing page experience. Direct users to relevant product pages on your Etsy store for a seamless experience. Quality score. Improve your quality score by maintaining high ad relevance, expected click-through rate, center, and landing page quality. 5. Bidding strategies and budget management. Bidding strategies. Manual CPC, cost per click. Set your maximum bid for each click on your ads. Enhanced CPC. Allow Google to adjust your bids based on the likelihood of a conversion. Target CPA, cost per acquisition. Set a target cost per conversion, and Google will optimize bids to achieve that goal. Maximize clicks. Focus on driving as many clicks as possible within your budget. Budget management. Daily budget. Set a daily budget for each campaign to control your overall spending. Bid adjustments. Adjust bids based on device, location, time of day, and audience to optimize performance. Performance monitoring. Regularly review your campaigns and adjust bids and budgets based on performance data. 6. Optimizing your campaigns. Monitoring and analysis. Google Analytics. Link your Google Analytics account to track user behavior on your Etsy store. Conversion tracking. Set up conversion tracking to measure the success of your ads in driving sales. Performance metrics. Monitor key metrics such as center, conversion rate, and return on ad spend, ROAS. A/B testing. Ad variations. Create multiple versions of your ads to test different headlines, descriptions, and CTAs. Landing pages. Test different landing pages to identify which ones drive the most conversions. Budget allocation. Allocate more budget to high-performing ads and pause or adjust underperforming ones. Continuous improvement. Keyword refinement. Regularly review and refine your keyword list based on performance data. Ad optimization. Continuously improve your ad copy and design based on test results and feedback. Competitor analysis. Keep an eye on your competitors' ads and strategies to stay ahead in the market. 7. Advanced strategies for Etsy sellers. Remarketing. Remarketing lists. Create remarketing lists to target users who have previously visited your Etsy store. Dynamic remarketing. Show personalized ads featuring the exact products users viewed on your store. Local advertising. Location targeting. Use location targeting to reach customers in specific geographic areas. Localized ads. Create ads with localized messaging to appeal to local audiences. Seasonal campaigns. Seasonal keywords. Target seasonal keywords relevant to holidays and special occasions. Promotions and discounts. Highlight seasonal promotions and discounts in your ads to attract more customers. Collaboration with influencers. Influencer partnerships. Collaborate with influencers to promote your products and extend your reach. Sponsored content. Create sponsored content featuring your products and drive traffic to your Etsy store through influencer channels. Conclusion. Running profitable Google Ads for your Etsy store is a powerful way to drive traffic, increase sales, and grow your business. By understanding the platform, conducting thorough keyword research, crafting compelling ads, managing your budget effectively, and continuously optimizing your campaigns, you can achieve significant results. Implement these strategies and secrets to take your Etsy store to new heights with Google Ads.